Welcome to Efficiency Hunters, where we help homeowners discover ways to save energy and money. Today, our home energy advisor, Alexis, takes us to the laundry room for more easy, no-cost ways to be more energy efficient.
Today we're back with Sarah, a new homeowner with big energy saving goals and a not so big budget. Now Sarah, what kind of low and no cost energy help can we give you today?
So I'd love to focus on my laundry room, and maybe we can start with the electric water heater. I love a long hot shower, but it's not so hot for my utility bill.
Water heater it is. Check the temperature of your water heater. Your hot water heater does a lot of heavy lifting in your home. It can make up nearly 20% of your home's annual energy use. If it's above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, go ahead and turn it down. Make sure to set both the top and bottom plates. It's a small change that can make a big difference. A few more simple no-cost tips are to clean out your lint filter with every load you dry. And make sure you're only running your washing machine with a full load using cold water.
Cold water? I thought only hot water got your clothes clean.
That's just an old myth that gets passed around. Cold water's better for your clothes than hot water.
What could be cooler than that? Catch all the episodes of Efficiency Hunters for more ways to lower your energy bill and be more energy efficient. Stay tuned.